How do I change my Apple ID and transfer my apps to the new account?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to change your Apple ID and transfer your apps to a new account. We all know how crucial it is to keep our digital lives in order, and sometimes, a change in your Apple ID might be necessary. So let's break down the steps to accomplish this task smoothly.
How to change your Apple ID.
The first part of our discussion is how to change your Apple ID. Let's take it step by step. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. 2. Tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu. 3. Select Name, Phone Numbers, Email. 4. Under the section labeled Reachable at, tap on your Apple ID. 5. A window will appear where you can edit your Apple ID. Type in your new Apple ID, which should be an email address. 6. Once you've made the change, tap Next. 7. A verification email will be sent to the new Apple ID. Check your email and follow the instructions to complete the process. Please remember, you'll need to sign out and back in with your new Apple ID on all of your devices.
Can I transfer my apps to a new Apple ID?
Next, we address a common question. Can I transfer my apps to a new Apple ID? It's important to note that Apple does not officially support transferring apps between Apple IDs. When you change your Apple ID, all the purchases, subscriptions, and iCloud data are linked to the original Apple ID and can't be transferred to a new one. That being said, you can still access your apps after changing your Apple ID, but the apps themselves stay linked to the original account that purchased them. If you want to use the apps with the new Apple ID, you would need to repurchase the apps under the new account. For free apps, simply re-download them using the new Apple ID.
What about my data?
But what about your data? You might be wondering, what happens to my app data if I change my Apple ID? Fortunately, for most apps, your data should remain intact. Data for apps like Photos, Notes, Contacts, and others are saved in iCloud and tied to your Apple ID. When you sign in with your new Apple ID, this data should be available. However, any data that is saved only on the device and not in iCloud might be lost. It's always good practice to back up your device before making such changes. And that's how you change your Apple ID and manage your apps with a new account. While you can't directly transfer apps to a new Apple ID, you can still access your apps and most of your data should be safe. Remember to always back up your device before making significant changes like changing your Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.